This is an Amazon Guozhi ARC 130 stick welder. I have used this a few times for a $70 welder. Surprisingly, it does lay a bead. It's not one of the best beads, but it is $70 welder off Amazon. Can't really complain. It does come with 10 feet of lead, which is very, very nice. Not a very powerful low 110 welder, but nice little toy to play around with when you're tack welding stuff together. I definitely recommend the Guozhi ARC 130 welder. Here is where you change your amperage. And there is where you turn it on and off at. There's a nice little shoulder strap also.